In this video we tell you the most expensive makeup items in the world. You may have used or seen many expensive makeup items, but do you know most expensive items in the world? If not, then let's see. The most expensive nail polish in the world is Azurcha's lacquer. It contains 267 carats of black sparkles. It contained diamond and cost about $250,000 for a single bottle of this nail polish. Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette is the world's most expensive eyeshadow palette in the world. It cost about $239. It is available in green, brown and purple blue. H. Couture Beauty Diamond Lipstick is the most expensive lipstick in the world. Its casing is gorgeous and made of diamonds, which is why it is so expensive. The lipstick itself is very moisturizing and has beautiful shadow, but it is the diamond box that stole the show. Such a high price also includes many services such as clock phone service, lifelong personal help, etc. The lipstick case is made of 1,200 pink diamonds. It is the most expensive lipstick in the world, with a luxurious stylish look, high quality and cute embroidery box. It cost about $14 million per stick. There's nothing casual about Huda Beauty's newest foundation, which is why it currently holds the title of world's most expensive foundation. From its diamond cut jar to its formula, everything about it is luxe. As for the actual foundation, it was formulated with skincare science and includes the brand's glow-boosting illuminating complex X, which retexturizes and repairs skin of environmental damage while keeping it hydrated. Artis Makeup Brush together with world-renowned designers and artists. Artis has created the world's most expensive brush, retailing at $345,000, $25,000. The opulent brushes are covered in white gold and are blinged out in rubies or bedazzled in either white or black diamonds. That's not all. The luxurious brushes also come with a selection of services and experiences, including custom engraving, a luxury brush case, seasonal makeup training with artistry and training lead, a dedicated support phone number and email for brush care, a special care kit and servicing, and even an optional insurance policy.